let's see what you have to look forward to in the coming up episodes. So this is K&N 153, and it goes on the Ducati. And before you get upset about which oil filter I'm using, there's a program called Engine Masters, and they do an oil filter shootout. So watch that. Don't listen to me, just watch that. Another box of gloves because I'm running out. And then this is oil filter for the Mini Cooper. And it's time to change that. And that is always a drippy adventure. But at least we got new gloves to keep our hands clean. So the new O-rings from Vicks came in, and I clicked the wrong button and ordered these. But I'm glad I did, because this is the old one and it snapped when it came off. And I'm going to apologize in advance for not doing this the first time, but sometimes I get a little hyper focused and you have to follow up and do it a different way. So I'm not cutting off my bands, but I got to get these off of here. And these hold down tabs are in the way, but you can pop it up and get a pick down in here. And you got to get underneath this, and this one's a little dull on the end, which is good. But you got to put your glasses on so you can see better. You got to come in here. So there's two ways. So it's easy to go in from the front, and it's actually easier if it breaks off, but I'm going to try to save it. So a small screwdriver, like so, and then flip this. I don't know why. Sometimes it helps. Doesn't help. Screwdriver, pick, take screwdriver out, and then we're going to work it around. And you kind of use this holder downer. There we go. And twist the holder downer. It's not working. And then these little holder downers come off, and so it's not bad, it's just, you know, there's a little buildup in there. We'll do one more because there's only one left. Technically we could just cut it because we have a replacement, but you know, let's do it the hard way. Because it's a Fiat. Oh, this is working. This one's mad at me. Try again. For some reason, it just feels better this way. Got it. Broke it. Even better. So we're just going to clean this up a little bit with red scratch pad. So these are the big ones. They go here. And then these smaller ones go on the tips. And they just slide on pretty easy. Like this. But we're not going to do that right now. Because then they'll be in the way. So these only go on one way. But they spin, so you'll be okay. But don't put them on upside down. Well, you could, but then you have to take it off. And then to get them on, give them a little squirt. Roll it around on the inside. Gotta dry off your fingers a little bit. And then we're just going to take it, roll it around that edge. Come on, you can do it. Got it. Didn't get it. Roll it around the edge until it laps over. And then we're going to work it down into that groove. And this is, now it's bound up on the goddamn injector side. Got it. And then, come on, there we go. Let me try. Nah. Once it falls down into that groove, then these things move into place easier. So we got our new large O-ring on. Two busted ones, two replacements. And so then this is going to go on here like so. And this pulls down on the injector when you tighten it up to mush it in. And then our small O-ring goes right here, and then our other O-ring goes right here. We'll wait for that and put those on when it's time to install the injectors into the head or the intake manifold. So remember, put all your parts you're going to use in a Ziploc bag. So you don't lose them. Let me look at the clock. 26 minutes. I didn't start until I broke 2, I think. Or I don't know. But anyway. Large O-ring replacement on the injectors completed. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.